The FAIRPHONE 4 is our most sustainable smartphone yet. It's made with fair and recycled materials and it's built to last. The really special part? It's yours to open, yours to repair, and yours to keep. That means that no part of this phone is permanently glued, so you can easily repair it yourself with a standard screwdriver. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to take out and replace your USB-C port. But first, let's make sure you and your FAIRPHONE are ready to go. Here's a short checklist before we start. Make sure your FAIRPHONE's battery is charged. Most batteries actually don't come with a full charge fresh out of the box. Find an even and level clean surface to work on, with a good light source so you don't miss any of the action. We recommend to keep a few items at hand to make your life easier. A cotton cloth to clean the surfaces of your phone. 2 small containers to divide and keep all the small screws in place. A credit card, guitar pick, or other similar plastic card to help with removing the modules or parts. And your trusty Phillips 00 screwdriver, like this one from iFixit. A word of caution, please don't use any metal objects other than the screwdriver when working on the phone. Your own hands or the plastic card or pick will get the job done and protect the internal part. Since we're taking out the battery for this one, make sure your FAIRPHONE is turned off by pressing the power button on the side of the phone and selecting Power Off on your screen. Now let's take off the back cover by separating it from the aluminum frame with your finger. There's a designated notch on the bottom right side of the phone when the screen is facing down. You'll hear a nice click once it disconnects. Make sure to start there and work your way around until the back cover comes all the way off. To take out the battery, simply lift it from the white triangle at the bottom. The loudspeaker is held in place by 6 silver screws. Unscrew with your Phillips 00 screwdriver and store safely. Once removed, you can now gently take out the loudspeaker. We recommend you use a credit card or guitar pick for this. The loudspeaker fits pretty tightly, but don't worry, take your time and apply gentle pressure for it to come out. Now that you've removed the loudspeaker, gently lift up the BTB connector of the USB-C port using a credit card or plastic pick. Next up, remove the USB-C port using the same card or pick. It sits in there fairly tightly, so to keep it from popping out and tumbling all over the place, keep your other hand above the phone, just in case. When you insert the new USB-C port in place and reconnect the BTB connectors, do not screw it in yet and do not touch other internal components. First, you'll have to insert the loudspeaker and then you can reinsert and tighten the 6 silver screws. Now you're ready to put the battery back. Make sure to start with the top and lay it down like this. Click the back cover back in place and press along the sides with your finger to make sure the fit is snug and secure. Turn on your FAIRPHONE 4 by pressing the power button on the side of your phone. That's all! Congrats on your DIY USB-C replacement.